So Luke and I just went on a walk in the rain. It was heavier than this, and we're got soaking wet. It was so fun and so freeing to just have nowhere to go and have a Saturday morning rain walk. It was really nice, but I'm still soaking wet, but I had a thought I wanted to share. So I'm not going to be on camera today, but this story is actually about that little dog right there, Telly, and something that happened that made me think about betrayal blindness. So betrayal blindness is this idea that when we are being harmed or betrayed by someone that is close to us, that's in a position of trustworthiness, we have this mechanism as humans to be blind to it. You could think of like denial, that there's a part of us that blocks us from seeing the truth of the harm of it. And I was thinking about how sorry, long story short, Telly had a procedure done. She has cancer, and so she had something done on her belly, and I was trying to take off the gauze and the tape, and it was stuck to her hair, and I knew that I just had to pull really quick, but you can't prep a dog for that because they don't know English, and so I just was like, just got brave and just really quickly pulled, and instantly her teeth went up, and she growled, but then she did her, like, we call it a satisfaction slurp, when dogs like make that sound with their mouth of comfort, and she went back and forth between showing me her teeth and then as I'm petting her and saying, "I'm so sorry," like being comforted. And you could tell she was really, she was confused because she knows me as a place of comfort and safety, and yet I was causing her pain. And so she didn't know if that was harm or if I was actually, she was confused, right, in her little doggy mind. And I just made me think about how, first of all, it was so hard and vulnerable to hurt her in that way and not be able to explain that I wasn't trying to hurt her, that she needed that off. But it really made me think about how complex betrayal blindness is, and when we're hurt from trustworthy sources, positions of trustworthiness, how challenging it is to see it clearly. And we see this all the time in our work, when it's positions like faith leaders or partners or parents or other close family members who you would expect trustworthiness from. It's harder to see with clarity the harm that they've caused. It's a protective mechanism, really, that the brain wants to protect us from the truth of that, because when you see the truth of that, it causes a tremendous impact, and the fallout and the pain and the implications of that are massive. So I wanted to share a little bit more about betrayal blindness and how common it is for your brain to protect you from not wanting to see and know these hard truths in your story with close people.